Hi guys, today I'm not going to be sharing a food recipe. It's going to be a recipe for a homeopathic rub or a homemade rub. And this was shared with me from my friend Lisa. And this is really an old remedy. And if you guys have older folks in your home or your grandparents, they would know about this. It's such a great rub for when you're sick or you have the flu. And it's great for adults and even toddlers. I really would suggest using it on a baby. So to make this, you're going to need some grated nutmeg, and we're going to put everything into one jar. I'm going in with one Panadol, some menthol crystal. You can get everything on Amazon, whole cloves and a few leaves of rosemary, a few pieces of lime or lemon with the skin, and I'm going in with some extra lime juice. Next goes in some soft candle, and some limacol, or you can use bayrum or alcalado. I don't know if they still make alcalado, but that's an option. Next, you're going to take your muddler and you're going to muddle everything together so that everything comes together. Now this can last a couple of days, even weeks. It's a really good rub. It works wonders. If you've never tried this before, please give it a try. Don't be afraid to try it. It really works, trust me. So you're going to empty everything into a container that you're going to store it in, and you're going to basically be using that liquid to soak your head, your chest, your back, under your feet, and this is going to help you feel better. I'm not up to it at this time right now. I'm a little down, so I've been using this and it's really been helping me. So I ask you guys to give this a try. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if it works for you. Let me know if you already make something like this in your family, and if you're willing, maybe you can share it in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to my friend Lisa for sharing her mom's recipe, because she's no longer with us, and this is just another way to help preserve all of these homeopathic things that our grandparents and our parents have taught us. So please remember to like and share this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!